Welcome back to Paul's Q, everyone. So we got a WSM, Performer, a gasser, Oklahoma Joe stick burner, Pit Boss is covered under there. And look here, we got a new toy. We're gonna get this opened up and put together. Let's take a look in the box, see what we got. All right, first we gotta cut these straps off that we got. That's all out of the way now. Lift off? It does. This lifts right off. Here we go. 28-inch Blackstone Griddle. Would have preferred the 36, but 28 was all they had in my store at Walmart where I bought it. And this is the first time I've ever seen it in the store. Well, it's packaged nicely and everything. Got our knobs and hardware to put it all together. Manual here. Looks like a sticker inside of there. Box here. Not sure what's in this box. Probably the wheels. Let's see. Oh, the handle. I think it's got the accessory to hold the propane tank on and everything. Well, we'll get into that in a bit when we open that up a bit more. When we put it together. Frame, zip tied to other stuff. That's zip tied rope. There we go. There's the frame of it. That out. Inside this box. Oh, it looks like all you have to do really is put the wheels on it. Attach a couple other things. Unless the wheels are on it. Nope, the wheels aren't on it. This seems pretty straightforward. Let's get some stuff cut apart here. Get it open. Got a zip tie here to cut. I know I should probably look at the manual so I don't screw something up, but looks pretty straightforward. The legs should lock in at some point. Side tray. At least it comes packaged very nicely, all together. There. That's got to be the Blackstone top. Give me a couple minutes. Let me open up this manual, take a quick look at it, and we'll pick back up. See you guys then. Okay, so got it out of the box. I've pulled out all the other pieces in that. I've briefly looked through the manual right here. And you can see tools required. Phillips, adjustable. That's it. So let's see what else is in the box. I know the Blackstone top's in there. There's the big shelf. There. There's the leg for the propane holder. The only thing left in the box now is the actual Blackstone top. Give me a second to get a couple things ready. We'll start putting this together. Okay. Let's get your wheels. Wheels are gonna go here. Like so. There's one. Then you're gonna need 17 mil socket, and I have a 9/16 wrench. So the wrench we're gonna put on the one side, and the socket we're gonna put it on the other side. That's it, just like so. Let me get the other one tightened down. We'll pick back up. Okay, next thing now is the center shelf. As you can see, what you want to do is stand up your leg, stand up your other leg, and you rest it in here on that. For this side, get the regulator out of the way. And there we go, just like so. Then you're going to take what's known as your long thumb screw, come in on this side, and just tighten it down. Here, this leg here, you're up, put her around so you guys can see what I'm doing. Next you're going to take the propane holder, which I've already gone ahead and I've attached the top bracket and the bottom bracket for the propane cylinder. You need a 10 mil wrench and a 10 mil socket. The instructions tell you just a Phillips and a 10 mil, which is not correct. You will need a Phillips after, it looks like, but for now you will need 2 wrenches, either 2 adjustables or 2 sockets, however you feel like doing it. But let's put this on now. Take your other long thumb screw that was provided, and that's going to go in the center one, just like this. Then you'll want to take your long bolt and a nut, and that goes into the bottom one. Now remember, you're doing this upside down, so you want to put the round part down towards the wheel end, because that's where the bottom of the propane tank sits. Okay, now I just take my socket here and my adjustable wrench, just tighten this one in. That's all. This one here, tight, and this one here. Okay. And I'm going to flip it over. Like so. And then it rolls. We'll pick back up in 1 second. Okay, next step now. We got it all turned around, you can see the handle. Now you're going to take 2 Phillips screws, 2 nuts, like I have here. And then we're just gonna put one there, the handle there. And then we'll take a nut, put one of the nuts on it. Don't lose any of these screws or nuts, because you just have the exact amount that you need. And do the same thing on this side. I'm not an expert, but I think this handle might get very hot once you're using the Blackstone, just due to the fact that your burner is right here, your handle's right here, it's bolted through the inside. Well, I'm going to get this tightened down. There's 4 in total, 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom, you can't see. I'm going to get it all tightened down, we'll pick back up. Okay, handle's on, tightened down. Now let's spin her around. Now we're going to attach the side shelf. Side shelf here. Now you have two little legs that go into the two designated holders for it. Just like that. Then you're going to take your small thumb screws, one on the right, one on the left. Just like this, and just tighten them down. Make sure they're nice and snug. There we go. Now we'll pick back up, see what's next. Okay, well now we're at the last part. Battery's not included as stated in the instructions. Double A is what you'll need. I don't know why they didn't include it. They should for the price of it. But that's their choice, not ours. Luckily I have small children. I have batteries all over. Hey, it works. Then you'll put your knobs on. Next, they can only go on one way. Flat spot here that lines up with that. You see, it's the only way you can do it. Okay, next, the top. Here's where some people might need two people to help, but I can manage on my own. Not saying I'm super strong, but done. And last but not least, the grease trap hangs on the back. It's got a little lip that just goes right over the frame and sits there on the back. Just a second and we'll pull it on and have a look at it. There we go. Some people might need two people to do it, but as you can see, I just did it by myself. And this is how you put together a 28-inch Blackstone griddle. That's the only thing left for me to do now. Is find somewhere to put it in the backyard here and season it. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. Hit the subscribe if you like this. See you all on the next one. Bye.